Sometimes when you try to make a whiteboard animation in Canva, you may not find a proper tool or effect to create that hand-drawing animation look. Here's the solution. To start, open canva.com and create a new design for your animation. Set the resolution to Full HD, 1920 by 1080, which works perfectly for most projects. Once your blank design is ready, begin adding the text, images, and elements you want to include in your whiteboard animation. You can keep the design simple or make it more detailed depending on your style. For example, you could add the name of your channel along with a small YouTube logo right underneath it for a clean and professional look. Once your design is complete, it's time to create the hand-drawing animation effect. Start by downloading your design as a JPG file to your computer. Next, go to Canva's Apps section on the left-hand side of the screen and search for Speed Painter. From the list of results, choose the second app, as it provides more customization options, though you'll need to sign up for a free account to use it. After launching the app, upload the photo you saved earlier and begin adjusting the animation settings. You can select the frame rate, 60 frames per second is recommended for smooth results, and use the sliders to control the duration of your animation. If you prefer a quick sketch effect, set the duration to 3 to 4 seconds, or for a more detailed and gradual effect, adjust it to 10 to 15 seconds. You can also personalize other settings like the hand animation, sketch style, and various visual effects to achieve your desired look. When you're satisfied with your setup, click on Generate and wait a moment while Canva processes your animation. Once it's done, you'll have a clean and professional whiteboard animation ready to use. You can repeat the same process for multiple pages to create a complete animated presentation or a series of engaging visuals for your project. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.